guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on YouTube. Today I'll be making some slime. So first thing you will need. Sorry, I made some on Musical.ly, so it still has a little contact solution in it, but who cares? So first thing you will need is some contact solution. Next thing you will need is a little bottle. Third thing is a mixer. All my slime fell on my bed. Okay, there it goes. I'm sorry for that. What happened? But okay, so then let's start all over. First thing I need is contact solution, a bottle, and a pencil or anything that you could mix it, and a lot of glue. I'm choosing to do color glue, and it's decoration practice in it. So what's up? First thing you'll need is to put this. Get your bottle and get your glue and open it. It's fine, put all of it in it. I know it kind of looks like slime already. Don't know why, but after this, go watch my video. I'm going to do a hack with this, and it's going to be so smart. Like, oh, the glue won't even come out. Okay, so this is the glue right now. I know it's kind of jiggly like slime already because it's really old. And you should use old soap to make slime and just pop it in the freezer for about 5 minutes and it'll work. But next thing you'll need is your spoon and then start mixing it in your cup. That will be enough. After 1 minute, let's do that. Okay. Next thing, this slime smells weird. Okay. Then pour a little bit at a time because then it could ruin your slime and it could turn hard. So then just keep mixing it and let all the contact solution mix with it. Don't let any water be in your slime. Lauren, I did the hat. Which hat? This hat. That's smart. But I'm doing a YouTube video. Look. Oh yeah, go to my hat. Me and Sophie are doing my hat. I did this hat just right now. Ew, it feels like real slime. Remember, play with it. Now there's your crazy lazy slime. Please comment down what slime video I should do next. Please give this video a big old thumbs up. Okay, so give this video a big old thumbs up. I'll give it a big thumbs up. For this video, this is really jiggly slime. I just don't want to touch it. But it's really purple and it's really clear. Well, not that clear, but it's like glittery. But look at that. Please comment down below what video I should do next. And next up video is hacks and slime hacks. What? That's amazing! Yeah, whatever my sister just said. Please comment down below what slime video I should do next. And remember to check out my slime world. Bye!